Hello my friends, today I am going to upgrade the look of my engine, and that's why I ordered this part from Germany. Here you can see this is the oil cap. This part is usable for a dozen of Mercedes cars. You can check this online. Here is the cap itself with the AMG logos on it and with the brand new O-ring inside. Now my friends, I will show you exactly what I'm doing here and what I'm going to do. Here is the old oil cap, and let's swap it and install this new. Sorry guys for the dusty engine, but I think that this AMG logos and letters will match each other very good. Now I will change this, remove the old and install the new, and show you how it will look in overall. So my dear friends, I have installed the new cap. I like it. This is a completely bolt-on upgrade. Here is the old one, 22 years old, and here is the new one. It fits here very good without any problem and any modifications. I like the look of the new cap on the engine. Especially I have this M155 AMG engine cover here, and I think they match to each other very good. I gave about 20 euros for this cap. This is made in Slovakia today, but I think the original part has the quality, and it is very reasonable price. So guys, here is the angle this cap can be installed. This is the best angle I was able to rotate it, but I like it, not a big deal. On the M156 AMG engines, the angle is horizontal, but here we have such setup. But as I already mentioned, I like this, and for me it is not a problem.